Alright guys, today we're going to show you how the installation process of our rear FP spec sway bar for the ND RF Miata. As you guys can tell right here, we have our bar in yellow with our mounts. We're going to go ahead and show you the quick installation step by step right here.
Alright, first thing you're going to want to do is take off these guys. You notice I've already pre-loosened them, but they're pretty easy to get off. Then you'll undo the brackets, which are up by your muffler. And pop these off of the sway bar just for ease. Then flip it down. It'll come right out around your muffler. Just like that.
And show you the comparison there of the OEM and the FP spec bar.
First things first, you're going to want to lube up your bushings generously inside where the bar rides. That'll keep them quiet. Then you're going to work them around the bar. Get your brackets. That's better. Then get your brackets up in place. Make sure that the bar is over this control arm. If it's not over the control arm, you'll regret it. Reuse your stock bolts. Go ahead and put your end links back on. We'd suggest starting with the softer position in the rear, which is the further hole out from the center. Alright, and just tighten up all the bolts and you're done.
This is a Chucky Beat production.